Have you ever wondered what happens when the robots really take over? No, I'm not talking about a sci-fi movie plot. I'm talking about the quiet revolution happening right now in our factories, offices, and even our coffee shops. This is the story of automation and its very real human cost. For decades, we've been told that automation is the key to progress. It promises efficiency, productivity, and a future free from tedious labor. And in many ways, it has delivered. Think about the cars we drive, the phones in our pockets, all made possible by incredible feats of automated engineering. But there's another side to this story, a side that often gets lost in the excitement about new technology. It's the story of the factory worker whose skilled hands are replaced by a robotic arm that never gets tired and never asks for a raise. It's the story of the truck driver who has spent a lifetime on the road, now facing a future of self-driving vehicles. It's the story of the customer service representative whose voice is replaced by a chatbot. For millions of people, automation isn't a promise of a brighter future. It's a source of deep anxiety and uncertainty. Economists call this job displacement. But behind that clinical term are real people with families, mortgages, and dreams. When a job disappears, it's not just a line on a spreadsheet. It's a loss of identity, a loss of purpose, and a loss of community. For generations, a steady job was the cornerstone of a stable life. Now, that foundation is shaking. The challenge we face is immense. Studies predict that tens of millions of jobs could be automated in the coming years. And it's not just blue-collar work anymore. AI is now capable of performing tasks once thought to be exclusively human, writing articles, analyzing medical scans, even creating art. So, where does that leave us? This isn't a call to smash the machines or halt progress. That's impossible. Instead, it's a call to have an honest conversation about the kind of future we want to build. What is our responsibility to those left behind by this technological wave? The solution isn't simple, but it starts with recognizing the problem. We need to radically rethink education. Lifelong learning can't just be a buzzword. It has to become a reality. We need to invest in retraining programs that give people the skills to work alongside machines, not be replaced by them. Think about a mechanic who learns to service a fleet of autonomous vehicles, or a factory worker who transitions to programming the robots they once worked next to. We also need stronger social safety nets. When someone loses their job to a machine, they shouldn't fall into poverty. Ideas like a universal basic income, once considered radical, are now being seriously discussed as a way to provide a financial floor for everyone in an increasingly automated world. It's about ensuring that the incredible wealth generated by automation is shared more broadly, not just concentrated at the very top. Ultimately, the question of automation is a question of values. Do we value efficiency above all else, or do we value human dignity? Technology is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used to build or to break. We are at a crossroads. We can choose a future where technology creates widespread prosperity and new opportunities for human creativity. Or we can drift into a future of greater inequality and social unrest. The choice is ours to make. It requires foresight from our leaders, innovation from our educators, and empathy from all of us. The machines are here, and more are coming. Let's make sure that as they rise, we don't leave our humanity behind. Thanks for watching. What are your thoughts on the future of work? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video thought-provoking, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.